Hello students, now we are going to solve exercise 2.4 question number 7. Hassan buys two kinds of cloths material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? So student, in this question it is given that total selling it is given 36,600 and Hassan purchased the shirt material at the rate of 50 rupees per meter and he purchased the trouser material at the rate of 90 rupees per meter. And the material, how he purchased shirt material and trouser material, it is given that every 3 meter shirt material he is purchasing 2 meter trouser material. That means shirt and trouser ratio it is given 3:2 ratio. Okay, and we have to find out that how much trouser material total he has purchased or he has buys. So student, in this question first of all we will write what things are given. Okay, so in this, first of all, the cost of shirt material per meter is given 50 rupees. The cost of trouser material per meter is given 90 rupees and the total sale it is given rupees 36,600 and profit on selling shirt material it is given 12% and profit on selling trouser material it is given 10%. We will assume let total shirt material purchased by Hassan, we will assume that is 3x because 3:2 ratio he has purchased shirt and trouser material. So we are assuming total shirt material he has purchased 3x. So and total trouser material he purchased, that is 2x. 2x it is total trouser material in meter. So student, we will find out the total cost of shirt material and then total cost of trouser material. So how to find out? Here the total cost of shirt material, how to find? 3x is the total shirt material, multiply by 50 because 50 is the rate of shirt material, 50 rupees per meter. So 3x into 50, that means 150x. 150x is the total cost of shirt material. Similarly, we will find the total cost of trouser material. It will be 2x is the total trouser material and the rate of trouser material is 90 rupees per meter. So 2x into 90, it will be 180x. This is the total cost price of shirt and trouser material. We have got 150x and 180x. Now student, we will find the selling price of shirt material and selling price of trouser material. So for that, selling price of shirt material, we will use the formula SP selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus profit upon 100. Okay, so now we will put the value. Cost price we have find 150x is the total cost price of shirt material into 100 plus profit. For selling shirt he is getting profit of 12%. In the question it is given. So 100 plus 12 upon 100. We will add them 100 plus 12, it will be 112. So 150x into 112 upon 100. 0 0 cancel out. 5 table we will cut. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10 and by 2 table we cut 112 56 times. So 56 3s are 56 into 3 into x. So it will be 168x. What is this 168x? It is selling price of shirt material. Similarly, we will find the selling price of trouser material. So for that student, selling price of trouser material in the same manner we will find SP equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Same formula we are using what we have used in shirt material. So now cost price we find the trouser material, it was 180x into For selling trouser material he is getting profit of 10%. So 100 plus 10 upon 100. First of all we will add them. 100 plus 10, it will be 110. So 180x into 110 upon 100. 0 0 2 0, this 2 0 2 0 cancel out. 18 into 11x, it will be 190x. This 190x, it is the selling price of trouser material. Now student, the total selling price is given to us, that is 36,600. So what we will do, we will write the total selling price. Total selling price will be equal to selling price of shirt material plus selling price of trouser material. So total selling price is given 36,600. Selling price shirt material we have find 168x, and the selling price of trouser material we have find out 198x. After addition these both, we will get 366x equal to total selling price. This is in multiply, so we will bring it in divide. 36,600 divided by 366. So we will cut it. How many time it will cut? It will cut 100 time. Okay, so the value of x we have got 100x. Okay, so but we have to find the trouser material, total trouser material he purchased. So here, so trouser material purchased by Hassan, how much he was purchased? 2x. That means 2 value of x we have find 100. 2 into 100, that is 200 meter. That means Hassan total how much trouser material he has purchased? 200 meter. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.